guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, my mom and I had a really good idea to make sushi ourselves. We did this when we were like really young, so I don't really remember. My mom said there's like a store for like all the supplies that you need, and so we're gonna go there and get some stuff, and then we're gonna make it for dinner later. I'm really excited because I'm absolutely obsessed with sushi. So we're going to the sushi place right now. What's it called, Mom?
Lee's Oriental.
Whoa. Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way.
In the kitchen, women that know about you can try to hold on.
I'll save us now. Oh my god, that guy was just staring at me. Okay, but that was, oh my god, he's coming up, he's coming up. We're here. Alright, cucumber? Okay, yeah, this is it. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Oh my. What? Shrimp? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, let's get the shrimp. Alright, so we just spent as much as we would at an actual sushi place. But, yeah, I think it's gonna go good.
Probably twice as much, though, at least.
Yeah. Yeah, so, yep, I'm excited. Grabbing Starbucks quick. Just a quick run. This is called the pink drink at Starbucks. It's so good and refreshing. We're getting a new trouble board because
The other one's
it doesn't look like the normal one though.
I know,
that's like
but
different.
Well, ours is like 20 years old. That's why it looks different.
Okay. Alright, we got all the goodies. Alright. Did you get a haircut? Oh, come here. You got a haircut today.
So we got...
Alright, so we're gonna take some of this wrap. What is this, Mom? What's this called? Press and seal plastic wrap. And we're gonna wrap the bamboo rollers in it. Got the crab sticks. They're all individually wrapped.
Yay.
So that's great. We're just winging it, honestly.
Right.
Just got some tuna.
Yep.
And then shrimp. We're going all out, guys. We're going all out. We have some tabika eggs. Alright. Everything is ready to go. Yum. Wet the hands. A big chunk of it. Oh, it's hot!
Right. Nice warm.
Press it down. We are putting the seaweed on. Alright. Did you press it, Mom? Mm-hmm. Press it down. What should we make today? We're gonna do crab. Take a stick of crab. Do you just put it in the middle? You put it close to?
Yeah.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's get some avocado in there.
I don't know about that.
What, putting it in the middle like that?
I think right where you have it, because then it's like doing a wrap. You need to wrap it.
Right. Right here.
Wait, is that it? That's all you're doing?
We're gonna put avocado. Can you get me some of that? Just 2 slices. Alright, it's time to roll, so I feel like there's nothing in it. Do I need something else?
Start rolling it.
What am I doing? Am I doing this right? I gotta put it up more, I think. Roll it.
Next one, I'm rolling into tabika eggs.
Shoot. Am I doing this
No,
wrong?
it's fine,
Yep.
girl.
No,
And
you're
then what?
Right.
And then what?
You squish it like that.
You messed up. You messed up.
It's a lot of rice. I think what you need to do,
Much rice, yeah.
I watch what they do.
Alright. Oh my
use your
god.
thumbs.
That's a lot of
Get it
rice.
down
This
to
is too
one
thick.
layer.
Yeah, just
Alright.
literally
We
one.
gotta do another. You're gonna try.
Wait.
You're gonna try mine?
Do you want the...
The rice is too thick though. It's too much. We have to make it thinner. Try it. Try
You
it.
need some topeka eggs on it.
Yeah.
Do a little dunkage.
Try
With
it
soy
out.
sauce.
Try it out. Oh. Is it good? Not bad?
Not bad, just a little too much rice.
Yeah, too much rice. Alright, we gotta
But
make
it's actually not bad.
we gotta do it thinner.
Work
Alright,
to it.
we're using this to make it thinner because I think this is better.
Thick.
Do you think I should add a little bit more though, maybe to the bottom?
No.
No,
To the
it's
bottom right
fine.
here?
No, it's
No,
fine.
it's fine.
Just leave it.
Put the seaweed on.
Okay.
Now make me a salmon one.
Oh my god.
You're starving.
There's too much seaweed now.
It's fine.
That's why you gotta
rip. Cucumber.
No. It's no. You're gonna ruin it.
And it's too much.
It's fine because the rice will spread out when you.
Wow, look at that. All right, I'm gonna make a nice salmon one.
Okay, good.
All right, and we're gonna do a little bit of this avocado. Do you want cream cheese in it?
No, I don't want any cream cheese.
So that's it, just this? That's all you want?
Salmon, avocado,
cucumber. Right, like this.
Yeah, and then you really just want to tuck it. Yeah, and squeeze. Yep.
Wow, that was good.
Yeah.
All right, now what?
No,
Undo
you have to
it.
go forward a little bit more. Now just kind of.
Like this?
I'm gonna do.
All right,
Yeah.
and now what? Back it up.
Back it up.
Take it off.
Uh-oh, it's not sticking.
Let's turn it. Just go like this in it.
Yeah. Well, no.
Too long.
What do you mean it's too long?
It's still
The
messed
seaweed
up.
is too long.
Yeah,
You made your seaweed too long.
I feel like you guys are rolling it wrong.
Yeah, can we look up how to roll these things?
Okay.
Third time's a charm. Look, see, this is how small it should be. See how small it is? We shouldn't fill up the whole thing. That's why there's too much rice.
I will say, that's good.
It's all a matter of taste.
Okay. Oh my god. It's sticking way too much. Like, why is it doing that? This is making me so mad. It's too sticky. We gotta do something to it. It's so sticky.
No, it's actually good. It's a nice thin roll. It's perfect. It's actually really good. It's actually really good, honey.
Here, can you put that? Can you cut that? Look, I don't know. So we had to cut the seaweed in half to make it smaller because it was just too big. That's why our rice was coming out too big. And I told my mom that earlier and my brother, and they didn't believe me. Always listen to Melina.
Other brother, not me.
The other brother, sorry. Yeah, that looks more like sushi right there.
Yeah, I was gonna.
It does. Look at this,
definitely
guys.
wasn't right.
All right, my hands are all gross. That's more like it.
It's a little sloppy, but it's okay.
Yeah. All right. Nice.
Nice. Perfect.
All right, and oh.
Oh boy.
And you go
On the other side.
over. All right, not bad. That's way better than my other ones.
Yum. Very good.
So, at first, it was very frustrating because the rice kept sticking to the plastic wrap. Water helps, but it's so annoying, and I was getting so mad. But now I figured it out, and I think it's coming out well. So, I need to sit down and eat because I'm hungry, and then we'll make more. It was good. It was good. So like at first, our rice was way too thick. You can tell in like these ones, way too thick. Like that's a really big piece of sushi. All right, so it wasn't too bad. It's very frustrating, but I was getting really mad. No, yeah. We're just gonna stick to going to restaurants and buying sushi instead.
Much easier.
But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Alright guys, so as I was editing this, I really wanted to go make more to perfect it better, and this time it actually came out way better than last night. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.